Hi all, it's National Pumpkin Day, so we couldn't resist bringing you a quick tutorial for a ribbon pumpkin. You'll need any styrofoam pumpkin, we're using one from Dollar Tree, 2 or more colors of ribbon, we're using 2.5-inch wide ribbon from Dollar Tree, and a 25mm split bead with coordinating paint. Pop the stem off your pumpkin and cut a quarter-sized hole on the top. We pre-cut our hole for the video. You will be pushing your ribbon into this hole, so you want it to be a tight fit. First, we're going to paint our split bead black and let it dry while we finish our pumpkin. If you don't want to use a split bead, you can also use cinnamon sticks or a few tree branches wrapped with jute twine to fashion a stem. An easy way to paint split beads is to wrap Scotch tape, sticky side out, around your fingertip. Then pat the flat side of the bead to pick it up and begin painting. You can access all sides of the bead and quickly pop it off to dry without ruining the finish. You will need 6 20 to 22-inch pieces of ribbon for this size pumpkin. Lay one piece of your ribbon vertically, and then place the remaining 2 pieces in a cross pattern over it. Next, starting with the piece to the right of your base layer, begin tucking the ribbon into the hole that we created. Once all the pieces are tucked in, move on to the next color. If you feel like you have too big of a gap anywhere, you can pull the ribbon out and start over, or shift it slightly from side to side. For your second color, you will lay your pieces out in the same pattern we did for our base layer. Be sure to turn your pumpkin so that the gaps align with the ribbon. The key to placing the second layer of ribbon is to pinch the end of the ribbon as you tuck it in. This will help the ribbon lay flat against the pumpkin shell. Again, there is a little playroom with the ribbon, so you can slightly shift your ribbon in order to create even colored pumpkin ridges. If you know this pumpkin will be permanent, you can choose to hot glue your ribbon pieces down as you go. Last but not least, place your split bead or stem on top of the ribbon and firmly snap it into place. That's it, your ribbon pumpkin is finished, and all for a little over $3. Don't forget to sprinkle our video. We'd love to see your version when you're done. See you soon.